my instructional video will be used on WordPress. To access it, you just go to MyODU. It's a website that is actually set up through Old Dominion. So you go to MyODU, you access this page that looks like this. It has Blackboard, Leo Online, DegreeWorks. And then under it to the left, you'll have this thing that says My Systems, also with Blackboard, Leo Online. Go all the way down, you'll see a thing called WordPress. Click on WordPress, and you'll get to a page like this. And from there, you'd go to Manage My Sites, which you don't have any sites yet, which is why this is where you create it. You're going to create a new site by picking any URL you want right here. I did tutorial project earlier, and then I did digital writing tutorial. And so I created digital writing tutorial earlier, and all you have to do after you hit URL is hit create new site. And this is what your site will look like. Very bland, nothing going on because you haven't done any work yet. So if I go to my site, I'll go to my site I've done for my English 211 class, and I go to, let's say I go visit site. This is what it looks like now. So it went from that bland look to something with a couple tabs with old assignments from the class. Nothing extremely important for this tutorial. But yeah, just a bunch of assignments. And then from there, you also have the ability to have people contact you. So you put your email up there, your phone number. This was like a business assignment, so that's why it's like that. But you'll go to Dashboard again. Go to Pages. And this is where you see all those assignments I had. So Pages is where you pretty much create all the stuff you're writing on. For example, my Rogerian argument. I gave an overall reflection on Rogerian, and then I attached a PDF of my final draft to that. And then that's where it pops up on the website as an actual PDF, and they could flip through 5 different pages. Pretty cool. So then from there, if you want to change like the where the website, like what gets clicked on first, like right here where it says about me, formal writing, and contact me. Those are my 3 main headers that you saw. And then under that, I'll have little subscripts, and then you do a subscript of a subscript, and then sub. It goes on and on. You can just create page after page after page after page. But then if you want to go back to starting a main title, you just, my About Me doesn't have anything to click on. It's just my About Me. This is the one with all my assignments, and then the Contact Me is just a page with my email on it. So that's how you would structure your menus, so that they're kind of staggered. They're not all a bunch of titles and have to click on everything. Kind of. From there, what I do is I customize my page, and this is pretty much just where you get the aesthetics of the website. My site identity here is where I put the site title, which is literally this right here, not what you would think. I put the site title like that just so my professor knew it was my assignment and didn't get it confused. Obviously, my name was right here though too. This is the actual kind of tagline, you could say, as they call it, for my website. And then I'll go back. And header image, you can get an image. There's certain places you can go online and get non-copyrighted images, or images that people were willing to share. But if you just go on Google, there's no guarantee that it's not copyrighted, and you can get in trouble for posting that on your website. And here's where I go to menus. You can also edit, like here's the menus, the tab I just showed earlier, but in the customization page. And then this is where I can do all that stuff of editing the name. And if you want to just do it as well while you're customizing what your page looks like, so you can kind of get an idea, because it gives you a little blueprint over here, and you can actually still access the website while you're editing it, which is pretty cool. Back. I don't really use widgets, and yeah, I didn't use any color on my website. I just did I did a black and white because I wanted to kind of be professional, because it's supposed to be like my business profile in a way. But yeah, then you come back to this page, your regular site, and that's pretty much all for WordPress. It's not meant to be super complex. It's meant to be really student friendly. I like how ODU has made it that way. It's like I did a 5-minute video, and you can get a pretty good idea of how to maneuver the website. And so it's nothing nothing super tricky. But yeah, there's WordPress, and I hope you enjoyed the video.